To get a list of all the ASINs in your account, you can use this simple formula Gorilla _ASINLIST. So the first parameter is seller ID. The seller ID is required. You can find your seller ID in the Gorilla app under seller accounts. I have already typed in my seller ID in cell C1. So selecting this and then just hit tab or enter. And this lists all the ASINs in all the marketplaces. So let's say you want to narrow the search down and you want to only include ASINs for US. You can either type it in within quotation marks like this, or you can also select it as a cell reference. So F4 to log the cells like this. Let's say you also want to filter out ASIN starting with, let's say, B07. Again, remember to wrap it in quotations where you are entering it as a string or text. So this is how the ASIN list formula works. You can also use different marketplaces like EU for the European markets, and Euro is used for all the markets that use the Euro currency. Please note that if you live in the EU, then you might have to use the semicolon instead of commas like this. This depends on the local settings. Thank you.